Hello guys, welcome back to a short video. This will be basically covering my Strix XG17. It was one of the videos I did earlier on the channel, and I've had this for a while. It was a portable monitor for my portable ITX setup, and basically I was cleaning this at around 2 a.m. and I was trying to get the dust, like the little thing stuck in the speaker grill, and unfortunately I put a little bit too much pressure on the speaker grill. But if you still try to clean and put too much pressure on the speaker grill and not the panel itself, it can crack it. Luckily I had a square trade warranty and I was able to take this photo, video, whatever, submit a claim, and they were able to cover it for me. I made sure before I purchased this $600 monitor that I contacted them, will you cover it, because it's really expensive. And yeah, they did say that it is covered, and that's what I did. So there have been a few reviews. If you check on this monitor on Amazon, people say it's very fragile and the screen cracked on them, and they did not have the accidental warranty. It is a very expensive monitor without the kickstand and the bag, $500. So if it cracks, I mean, bro, like, it's really expensive. I mean, there's some people today selling like used AW3423DWs. Those are QD OLED 3440 by 1440, 175 hertz G-Sync module monitors. This thing is still brand new for like $600. It's like, bro, come on. Like, how many years has it been? Like, they don't have new panels. Like, bro, Asus, you get these panels literally from the laptop. Like, come on. Like, put a better panel in. Like, we have mini LED. Like, I mean, the least like they could do is sell a 17-inch laptop version of a 1440p panel, 240 hertz, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it. Short video. I filed a claim, got it replaced, and that's it. I didn't end up buying another one, but this is just to let you know it's gone. Goodbye. Take care. Peace.